Customary to this channel here, every year for the past 5 years, I actually shared with you guys about a convention that happens every year in December in New York City. Today we're going to talk about ScentXplore 2023 5th Annual, or 5th Edition, which is an international niche perfume convention. If you guys haven't heard about this event, because I know there's always a new wave of new people coming into the fragrance community, so I wanted to share with you my thoughts on this event and of course answer the most commonly asked questions, sort of like a Q&A. So stick around. It's coming up right now. Welcome back to another video. Max Forti here. Today it's going to be all about ScentXplore 2023 5th Annual. What is ScentXplore? Which is the most commonly asked question, especially if you heard about this event for the first time. You want to know what the heck is ScentXplore. So ScentXplore is an international hybrid perfume niche convention that happens in New York City every year, first weekend in December. This year it's going to fall on December 1st and December 2nd, Friday and Saturday respectively. It's going to have about 70 niche brands from all around the globe. And what is ScentXplore? So ScentXplore happens to be an event that bridges or connects the gap between B2B and B2C. We have a lot of activities, activations for businesses, for perfume brands, but of course, most importantly, a ton of B2C, business to consumer, which is you guys watching this video. Without you guys, without the consumer, without the fragrance aficionados, the fragrance fans, the fragrance lovers, there is no fragrance brands. So this event is people-centric. It's really focusing on immersive situations and activations, as far as master classes, workshops, the gift box, which we'll talk about in a second, which encompasses all these activities and activations that we do worldwide to connect with you guys, whatever you are in the globe, with ScentXplore, the brands, the perfumers, the content creators, so on and so forth. So why ScentXplore? I think ScentXplore has something to offer that, believe me, I've been to a lot of different scenarios. I've been to a lot of different conventions and perfume activations worldwide, and I have to say that I pride on going to ScentXplore because of two things. It is very immersive, so it's very educational with the master classes, the workshops, the pre-launches, the exclusive launches, the limited edition launches, the special savings that you'll be able to experience with all the brands that come to ScentXplore, and of course the connect. I think the mission is very clear. It's to explore, discover, share, and connect. And I think ScentXplore does that very well with the brands and the fragrance aficionados, fragrance lovers, passionate enthusiasts just like myself and you guys watching this video. And through those activations and activities, we were able to partner with two of the major flavors and fragrance creators of the world, such as 𝗲𝗿𝗄 and 𝗃, which will be actually participating at ScentXplore this year, giving incredible presentations, master classes, and workshops for you guys to take advantage of, whether you're coming virtually or in person in New York City. And that's the thing about ScentXplore. When you think about who should attend, who can come, who could come, everybody that loves fragrance, whether you're a brand, of course, but most importantly, if you're a fragrance lover and aficionado out there like myself, you can attend this event virtually if you can't come to New York, or of course, in New York City. We're expecting over 2,000 people presential in person in New York City, but also over 4,000 to 5,000 people to join us virtually that have already signed up for the event. I urge you guys, if you do love niche perfumery and you want to discover up and coming new brands and of course immerse yourself in the known brands of the world, you guys are in for a treat. This is the biggest one ever. We're going to have over 70 niche brands. You'll be able to take advantage of all the activations and activities that this event has to offer, whether virtually or in person in New York City. So, which brings me to my next point, where is ScentXplore? So ScentXplore is a hybrid international niche convention that happens both virtually and in person. If you are coming to New York City, the actual physical location is going to be Chelsea Industrial, which is located at 535-551 West 28th Street, which is 2 blocks from the Hudson Yards or the Honeycomb. So prime real estate in New York City, just a couple blocks from the piers, a couple blocks from Hudson Yards. So you're going to be at a prime location. It's going to be Christmas season. You're going to be able to feel the New York energy and the passion at ScentXplore 2023. While attending ScentXplore, whether you do it virtually or in person, you'll have the ability to interact with perfumers, content creators, creative directors from all of the niche perfume brands that will be with us. And of course, if you come to New York City, you'll also be able to interact with thousands or hundreds of fragrance aficionados like yourself. You're going to be able to share ideas and create memories whilst discovering some incredible new fragrances that could be your next possible signature scent or incredible new discovery. I know myself, every year over the past 5 years, I've always discovered some up-and-coming new brands. You know, 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗏 a few years back, 𝗃𝗄𝗄 last year, which was such an outstanding brand. And I'm really myself looking forward to discovering some new brands that I myself have not even heard of that are actually taking place. And what we try to do every year is we try to bring, of course, you know, some of the known brands out there, you know, Perfumes de Marly, Niche Parfums, you know, Creed, 𝗏𝗏, you know, you name it, you guys know who they are. You know, the most prominent and prevalent brands of the world of niche perfumery, but we also want to give a chance to a lot of up-and-coming smaller brands that do deserve the spotlight, especially if they have incredible products that do deserve to be discovered. If you do want to know exactly what the program is going to take place at ScentXplore, go to the website ScentXplore.com, click on programs, so you'll be able to see exactly what's happening, the schedules in which everything will happen as far as, you know, master classes, workshop, and you'll also be able to see which perfumers and, you know, professionals, the industry professionals that will be joining us at ScentXplore this year, as well as all the content creators, because we have over 100 content creators from TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube that will be joining us. Some of, you know, your favorite content creators will be at ScentXplore this year, and if you come to the event, you'll be able to take pictures with them and enjoy a good time with them and chat with them. And of course, if you're also coming in virtually, you'll also be able to interact with the brands through all the presentations. And of course, we're going to have some MCs, if you will, some people, you know, virtually interacting with you and showcasing all the brands throughout both days, December 1st and 2nd. So no matter which way you come, you're going to be able to have an experience of a lifetime, and you're going to be able to create memories. Within those 70+ niche brands and 100+ content creators from all segments of, you know, content creations as far as fragrance, style, fashion, you'll be able to have an incredible time. Whether you come virtually or in person, you'll create memories that you will cherish for years to come. Some of the most commonly asked questions is, how do I sign in virtually? We do have a virtual platform that is very immersive, which actually encompasses the whole event. There's an auditorium where you'll be able to experience all the presentations, masterclass, and workshops, as well as a brand area, which you'll be able to visit each and every single brand and interact with them accordingly. There are also special sales for the virtual attendees and in-person attendees that are exclusive to the event. You'll also be able to experience pre-launches, exclusive releases, and limited edition fragrances that will be only shared at ScentXplore 2023. So whether you come in virtually or in person, you'll be able to experience those fragrances firsthand and enjoy incredible savings from all, you know, brands present at ScentXplore 2023. Right now, the time you're watching this video, I believe it's October 18th. You have until the end of this month to actually sign up for Le Parfum. If you have, again, I'm going to repeat it. If you have signed up for ScentXplore virtually this year, you can win a trip for two to New York City and ScentXplore, courtesy of Le Parfum 1+1. So whoever wins can bring somebody with them. However, this activation ends on 10/31, October 31st, 2023. And then the announcement of the winner will be at the first week in November. So if you do want to take part in this giveaway, the time is now, if you are coming virtually. However, whether you're coming in virtually or in person, one of the activations that I'm very proud to share with you is the ScentXplore gift box. 2,000+ people will receive this gift box shipped worldwide right to your door, containing 35 to 40 samples from all brands, you know, most of the brands, of course, not only individual samples, but also little mini gift boxes, such as Amouage, which every year that gives us an incredible gift set containing 4 new activations, 2 brand new releases, and 2 pre-launches for next year. There's a ton of different gift boxes. Perfumes is doing another gift box for us. So you have a lot of mini, you know, discovery kits, as well as individual samples from featured brands. So like I said, 35 to 40, could be up to 50, 2,000+ boxes available. We're shipping these worldwide, but you must act now because this activation of the ScentXplore gift box also ends on 10/31st. So if you do want to guarantee your box, we still have hundreds to go around, but you must sign up right now, virtually or in person, to guarantee your gift box. The after party has already sold out. The gift box, this is the last stretch. So this is why I'm making this video, to answer some of these calls and let you know this is it. This is your last chance. If you want to get, you know, the Le Parfum giveaway to win a trip to New York, you got to sign up virtually for the event right now. If you want to get yourself a gift box containing all the samples from the brands, you also must sign in right now, because once they're gone, they're gone. Another question is, as far as samples at the actual venue, there will be samples from the brands. Not all brands will bring samples. I think most of the people that are signing up for the event will receive the gift box to make sure they have the samples way before the event. So by November, you should have received your sample box, whatever you are in the world. We're going to start shipping those very soon. However, a lot of the brands will also have samples at the venue itself. Another plus is we're giving away over 200+ bottles from all participating brands. So whether you're coming virtually or in person, it does not matter. We'll ship them to your door if you win them virtually. And if you at the event, you will get some of those bottles, because we're gonna probably do 100 plus at the event and another 100 plus virtually. So I'm talking about 200 plus, but it's gonna be well into the 200 plus. I guarantee you. Last year we gave away 182. This year it's going to be the biggest one ever. That's why I'm telling you it's going to be 200 plus giveaways. So whatever you want in the world, you could sign up for ScentXplore and you guarantee to be entered for those giveaways as well. There's also a trip to Oman for the 𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗃 experience. That giveaway is going to be announced at the venue itself, which is going to be one of the highlights of the event. So if you do sign up for the event in person, you are guaranteed to be entered to win a trip to Oman for two, to go to the 𝗂𝗏𝗃 factory and experience everything and anything 𝗂𝗏𝗃 has to offer, which in my opinion, it's definitely one of the top 5 bass niche brands in the world. And I think you watching this video would agree if you have known this brand as long as I have, and if you're discovering this brand, you are definitely in for a treat. Whether you are a big fragrance aficionado or you're just getting into the world of fragrances, whether you're coming virtually or in person, I can't wait to see you and I can't wait to share this incredible event with you. And of course, leave your questions below. If you have been to any ScentXplore, please share your thoughts and your experience in the comment section. I'd greatly appreciate your feedback. And of course, any questions whatsoever about this event, be sure to email us at info@scentexplore.com. Thank you so much, everyone, for all your support through the channel, to the event. I really appreciate you all. And who knows what's going to happen in the future. My goal is to perhaps, the future events, everyone will get a bottle. Maybe we could do a great trip that everyone can enjoy together at a certain location. Maybe we'll have different, parts of ScentXplore in different countries or different parts of America. Let me know what other, activations or activities would you like to see at ScentXplore going forward. Your comments, your suggestions is always welcome and greatly appreciated. Again, thank you so much, guys. Without you, there's no fragrance community. Without you, there's no events, there's no fragrance brands. Without people, there's nothing. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I can't wait to see you at ScentXplore, guys. Take care.